What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Crypto Camel video. Hope you guys are doing fabulous on this Friday afternoon. We're going to be talking about some global crypto headlines, the market. We're going to be talking about a couple of fire updates from NDAX, my favorite Canadian crypto exchange. They dropped 5 new coins and staking, which is super exciting, a lot earlier than many anticipated. So if you guys are enjoying these quick videos, remember to smash up the like button and let's just jump right into the video, guys. So we can see 1.81 trillion is the global crypto market cap, down about 5% from the last day. And Bitcoin, I'm keeping my eye on because Bitcoin did dip below 40,000 US. And so we're going to see how long this goes. Is it going to go sideways for a while? I think that with tax season coming up, it could just keep going sideways. It could go a little bit lower. And, this, in my opinion, are we entering a really bearish market? Are we going to get a 20K BTC? It's hard to really know, right? I would say that this is healthy, that it bounced up just like that from 39.8 again to 45. But coming down here, it's a little bit concerning. BTC is one of my bigger holdings, and I mine BTC also. But I am bullish on BTC on the long run. However, we might still see a little bit more dips, a little bit more blood on the streets with BTC, I think, for a few more weeks, potentially going in maybe even into April. So we'll see. We'll see what happens in April, May, because from now going into March, tax season around the corner, it's a little bit unpredictable. Let me know what you guys think for your price predictions for BTC kind of come into Q2, Q3 of this year. And I still am bullish. I'm not like one of those guys saying 1 million BTC by the end of the year. But BTC, in my opinion, it is sound. It is great. It doesn't need to really be changed. And it just does what it needs to do. And although the important thing is that this pretty much sets the baseline and the benchmark for all the other coins to follow. So we all pretty much follow BTC. When BTC drops, all the other coins pretty much drop. So I think for it to bounce back to maybe even like a 50K BTC is not that unreasonable. I think that can happen quickly. We saw how quickly it jumped back in fall of 2021. It had a quick recovery and it went to crush new all-time highs where there were a lot of skeptics saying that it would never even touch that. It would touch the ceiling and just bounce back down. So I think it's possible for us to see new all-time highs. What does that mean for the altcoin season? It's going to mean good stuff. I don't think Ethereum is just going to flip BTC immediately. I think Ethereum is just going to slowly gain more and more, but it's not just going to overthrow BTC. That's just my opinion, not financial advice. Blah, 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 blah.
I don't know what you're doing. Invest responsibly. Blah, 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 blah.
BTC dips below 40,000. This is Decrypt. Thank you to Crypto Pulse on Twitter for talking about Decrypt because it's a great website. The price of Bitcoin briefly dipped below 40,000 today amid a broader negative run for the leading cryptocurrency. And so we're just going to focus on the headlines here because we talked about this, dipping below, but, a little bit of a bounce back. We'll see how long this sideways action goes on. But one thing to note is that the more this sideways action goes on, the more SEC keeps this chokehold on XRP, which performed brilliantly, probably one of the top in the 2017-18 bull run. The longer this goes, I think the more of a slingshot catapult we're going to have when we see these new all-time highs. Bitcoin's mining difficulty has hit an all-time high. So myself, actually, I grabbed a couple more miners. I'll have a few more. And the mining difficulty and hash rate are both up despite the leading cryptocurrency dropping 7% over the week. I think this is bullish. And with all the FUD going on, Russia banning and then saying, no, it's okay, and India banning, then saying, no, it's okay, I think we're just seeing a transition of power of hash rate from Asia over to North America, especially with Alex Mashinsky investing in Ethereum mining and BTC mining. I don't think it's going anywhere. I think it's just a transition. And I think that I'm still bullish on BTC and the rest of the blue chippers. Kraken. This is important because as a Canadian myself, Kraken, quote, cannot protect you from Canadian government freezing cryptos, the CEO says. Jesse Powell said Kraken would be forced to comply with law enforcement amid Canada's trucking protests, urging worried users to get your coins out, get your cash out. So again, guys, like they say, not your keys, not your coins kind of deal. This is important because it seems like government is just hammering down, and it's going to be concerning because at the end of the day, that's really scary, right? To have your funds just locked, to have this locked, to have that locked. And I just advise you guys just be cautious and just, know the risks and just be careful. You know, a little bit of care, a little bit of care will go a long way with your assets. Let's talk about NDAX. NDAX has been dropping fire updates, 5 new coins. We're going to talk about staking towards the end of the video. I got this fire email. Dear NDAXers, we're announcing our biggest coin drop yet. We've listed 5 new tokens on NDAX, with several being the most requested. We've heard from our community. Now, they are amazing, guys. When you go on their Twitter, they have giveaways. They ask you guys, hey, what do you guys want listed? So if there's coins that you really desire to get listed, you know, drop them a shout on Twitter. You know, I told him, hey, it would be great if you guys list BNB and Cake, BEP20. I think that would be fabulous. NDAX is thrilled to list VeChain, Near Protocol, the Sandbox, Celo, and Alien Worlds on the trading platform. And they're available to buy, guys, as of now, sell, and transfer. And VeChain deposits and withdrawals will be coming soon. I love that. I love the multi-chain support, Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, this, that. It's just sick to see a one-stop shop for all my needs. So again, the recap: VeChain, Near Protocol, the Sandbox, Celo, and finally Alien Worlds. Let's talk about staking. Staking is live, guys. I am staking my Polkadot right now on NDAX with 12% APY. And so they also have Ethereum. They also have ADA, and so I'll be doing ADA next. A word of caution with Ethereum: if you guys stake your Ethereum, you cannot withdraw it until the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade is fully deployed and successful. And of course, there's going to be risks with that. When you guys go to do your staking, make sure you guys take a look, read the risk disclaimers completely so that you're educated, you know what's up. And they also have a staking calculator on the website if you guys want to check that out and see kind of a glimpse of how much you'd earn with the amount staked. So let's take a high level overview here. Up to 12% with Polkadot, 4.8% with Cardano, and 5% with Ethereum. Now, with these, they have like a 4-hour window where you can cancel your staking if you changed your mind when you just started. And also there's a vesting period. There's a time where you must wait for it to kind of fully engage. So even though I staked my Polkadot like a day ago, it's not active yet. It takes some time for it to actually be active. Now, also one thing to note is that there's a 20% fee on the staked rewards. So not on the amount that you put in, but let's say you made $500 from staking, then they would take like $100 from that. So, you know, it is what it is. Obviously, this is still fresh, and I'm sure things can change, and maybe the rates will get better and more competitive, as we've seen with them reducing their withdrawal fee and making adjustments everywhere. So I think this is just the start, and it's a start in the right direction. And I'm really excited to see this actually roll out after the beta testing. And let's answer the question to why stake your crypto on NDAX. Well, there's 3 great reasons why. Easy setup and tracking. Set up your staking plans in seconds. Track your rewards in your intuitive dashboard. The dashboard is great, and I'm going to be excited to see when it's active and it's going through what that looks like, what's the feedback like. There are flexible plans, and you can exit from your staking positions anytime. Earn rewards. Of course, you're earning those rewards with daily or weekly payouts. The more you stake, the more you'll earn. Love it. And the highest security. I think this is the most important. The crypto you stake never leaves their cold wallet. So you can rest assured that your staked assets are stored securely with the highest standards among the Canadian fintech industry. Brilliant. So guys, that is it. I think that the market is pretty much going to go sideways for a little bit. Might keep dipping. Who really knows? I mean, at the end of the day, like they say, history doesn't always repeat itself, but sometimes it rhymes. If you guys enjoyed this video, remember to smash up the like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and that way you're alerted of the uploads. If you guys are based in Canada, check out my links to NDAX in the video description. NDAX is Canada's most advanced cryptocurrency exchange. When you guys sign up to NDAX with the link in the description, you get $10 sent your way, and you help support the channel out, and I really appreciate it. Enjoy your weekend, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.